Nerau, on the other hand, were humiliated 7-0 by the defending champions. So a game of huge stake as both teams try to stake their claim for a spot in the semi-final. Ongshung, Hao-chil, kiss the upright, Hao-chil. Great chance for the number 11 of United Brothers to give them the lead. Now the game hitting up a little bit.
Goal scorer from jersey number 10, Kang Up.
Into the feet of Hixin. Hixin wanted a foul, nothing has been given. Len, Hao-chil, clipping it forward. Semi, wonderful strike, wonderful goal by United Brothers. And they have a second goal here. Sunkui, Ongshung, strong hold up play from the number 24, and a smart pass to find Somishang. Somishang clipping it long for the run of Thongcha, and looks like it's a handball by the goalkeeper. Thongcha takes it, it's slow, it's a great save. It looked like it was a great save from McKeon from this angle, but this result. And if the match stays this way, they will be on 7 points. Thongcha with a low shot, and it has squirmed in yet again to the arms of McKeon, and it is 4-0 now. Thongcha is through ball for Thongcha. Thongcha is held back there by the goalkeeper, and Thongcha is penalized, much to the surprise of the number 7. Thought the decision was for him, but it has gone against him, and that might well be the last action of the game. It indeed is, as United Brothers walk away with 3 points after a comfortable 4-0 victory against nerau, and they will climb fourth in the table, overtaking Hong Kong.
United Brothers 4 goals, the United Brothers UAE. Congratulations to both the teams.